Okay, so area congruence postulates just states if two polygons are congruent, then their areas are congruent. The area addition postulate, the area of compound region is the area added of its non-overlapping parts. Formula. What's the formula for area of a rectangle? Length times width, base times height, either one, right? But remember, they have to make a 90-degree angle. Okay. Parallelogram. What's the area of a parallelogram? Yeah, same. Okay, but you gotta be careful because this would be the height. It is not the slant height. This is what we call the slant height, but we want the 90-degree angle height and base, right? Triangle. What's the area of a triangle? 1/2 base times height divided by 2, either one. Remember again, 90-degree is my height. Okay, does anybody know the area of a kite? How to find the area of a kite? And when you talk about width and height, what are you talking about? Very good. So we call those diagonals on this figure. So we're going to call it 1/2 times D1 times D2. So diagonal 1, it doesn't matter which one's diagonal 1 and which one's diagonal 2, but we're talking about the diagonals that meet in the center at a 90-degree angle on the kite, right? Rhombus looks similar to a kite. Would you agree? Looks somewhat similar. So what do you think the area formula on a rhombus would be? Take a gander. Oh, it's just the same thing. And again, we're talking about our diagonals, the ones that meet in the center, that cross in the center. Who knows trapezoids? What? Okay, good. So base 1 plus base 2. So like this would be base 1, this is base 2, right? So you're going to add those. You're then going to multiply it by its height, and its height, again, is not a slant height. It's an up and down height that makes a 90-degree angle. And then you're going to divide by 2 or multiply by 1/2 once you've done that. So I told you that we would be really quick, right?
Yep.
Those are all the notes. However, go to your, we don't have School of G homework today. I want you to go to your packet, your supplemental packet. We haven't really done any other sheets in here other than the practice sheets, right? So I want for you, find this guy, put a star on this guy, 1 through 8 on the front, 9 through 15 on the back. And this worksheet. The one that says Geometry Worksheet Parallelograms, front and back. Okay. You are more than welcome to work with partners on this because I will tell you that this guy will take you a little bit of time. And there's some measurements that you're going to have to find, so you may want to work with someone else. And when I say work with someone else, I don't mean like I'm going to take all the odds, you take all the evens, and we'll give each other the answer. I'm saying like on question question 12, I'm going to have to plot some points and find some distances using distance formula. So maybe you find the distance of this and I'll find the distance of this, and then we'll work together to get the answer. Does that make sense? So you can get up and move around if you'd like. You can listen to your music while you're working, ask questions when you have them. I do have this half sheet that has all the formulas on it. Would anybody rather have this half sheet? It's the same formulas that we just took down in our notes, but would anybody rather have the half sheet? Okay, if you change your mind, I'm going to put it up on this table, and you're more than welcome to grab it. Everyone good on what you need to work on then? Perfecto.